Hey guys, welcome back to Paracord Planet. My name is Luke, and today we're talking about how to tie down a tent rainfly using an adjustable grip hitch. So what you're going to need for this is your tent rainfly and the stakes that came with your tent. And for this we're actually going to be using our polyester accessory cord. This works better than paracord because paracord will stretch, and we want to keep our line nice and tight. Every tent is different, but the concept is the same. You need to keep your tent rainfly away from the tent so that the water doesn't soak through and run down the side of your tent and soak your sleeping bag. So this one has a loop right here. We're going to start by just tying a fixed loop in this end. The knot isn't very important. After you've got this end secured, wrap the other end of your cord around your stake and bring it up alongside the rest of your cord. Then holding onto both cords, we're going to be wrapping the cord back around itself. So bring your cord that you're working with underneath the standing cord and wrap it around just that cord once and then twice, and then wrap it around both cords a full loop around, and then we're just going to tuck the end of that cord through that last loop. Tighten that all down. So then to tighten up the knot, just hold on to the standing end that's attached to your tent and slide the knot upwards until everything's tight. And that keeps our rainfly nice and far away from our tent so that we stay dry.